honest. I see your face like it's a ghost and lose sight of my modern goals. But you don't need to solve it, just set me free, be honest. I get wrapped up, I come and go. My consciousness ends at my nose, and I can't see beyond it. I am my own biggest problem. You are a discrete universe. You get more pain than you deserve. You ought to be an artist. Go make something real and honest. When it was my time, I stepped aside. I covered my face and I hit line. I saw no repercussions in this game of thieves and runners. No one else will be your conscience, but they may tell you to stop it unless no one knows about it, because you've been so dishonest. Honesty, honestly, honesty's all I need now. Honesty, honestly, let's just be honest. All I need's honesty now. I try, I fail, I live my life and tell the tale, but I'm not always honest when it's time to talk about it. Thoughts are actions and they take word. The more it's true, the more it hurts. It's not easy or obvious to know what is real and honest, but I suspect if we sat down and took the time to sort it out, there would only be more problems. We're so incapable of being honest. Well, I just need love, and I just need you to stop telling jokes and tell me the truth. We need to talk about it. How long can we just run from it without honesty? Honestly, honesty's all I need now. Honesty, honestly, let's just be honest. I just need honesty now. Honestly, honestly, I just need honesty. Honesty's all I need. Give to me now, so bring me honesty. Let's just be honest. All I need is honesty now.
It's tape case.